Hey guys, Diana here from strategicfinances.net, helping stay at home mompreneurs create more cash flow and implement better financial strategies. So in today's video, I just want to show you how you can achieve personal financial success. Now, I know that it's like everybody's talking about creating wealth, building wealth, debt elimination, investing, all this stuff, right? It seems like it's a trend, it's a fad now. But I want to tell you that it is not. It's a good thing because 80% of people are struggling financially or not reaching their financial goals. So it's a good thing. But I want to say that this information is evergreen. Financial principles, building wealth, it's evergreen. It's not something that's a fad, it's a trend here today, gone tomorrow. It's something that needs to be, it's essential for your life. Okay. Besides, your relationship with God, and besides, I think next to your relationship with God and obviously with people needs to be your relationship with money. Okay. Because it affects your life. People commit suicide because of money issues. People get divorced. Actually, the number one cause of divorce in America is money issues. So it's very important. And I want to tell you, for me personally, I've been on a financial freedom journey for a long time, since back when I was in college. And so before the days of how the internet is what it is now. And you're watching this video for a particular reason, right? You're here for a particular reason. Yes, there's a lot of information on the internet. Yes, there's a lot of information out there, but you're here, right? So something's not working for you, or you might be overwhelmed. So here is a way, and let me point this out. You might want to click the link below. I do have an 8-step game plan to increase your cash flow in 2020, step by step. I love things that are just step by step. Just give it to me in little chunks. I'll implement, and let's follow this plan. But in this video, I want to show you what's in our income shifting membership. And what I mean by our income shifting membership is I'm affiliated with a company that teaches personal financial success, right? And I've been using this system since like 2018, and I'll continue to use it no matter what I'm doing for income, whatever I'm doing. I'll use this because it's a way to help me stay focused on my financial goals, right? And the tool that I use the most and that I love the most is the Cash Flow Manager. Okay, I'm going to get into that in just a second. But first, I want to go here and I want to point out, for me, this is not like, I'm focused on getting customers. I'm not focused on team building. You can make money with this company in different ways, right? But I am focused on just getting people this information, okay? Getting people this information. I did another video on the 3 reasons why I use this particular platform, okay? And so I just want you to get this information, implement, and get results. That's all I want. And so if you're working a job, you need to correct your W-4. If you're getting a refund every year, a lump sum refund, you're overpaying in taxes. If you go to the IRS.gov website, they will tell you that. The IRS will tell you that. Okay, and I've done a video on actually how to fill out your W-4 correctly, okay, so that you can get your money throughout the year, okay? So I'll leave a link to that video below. And so we'll teach you how to do that. We also teach you how to get out of debt in the fastest, okay? Why would you want to get out of debt slowly? Okay, and a lot of people are. So let's focus and get out of debt fast. I did a video on that. I'll link this video below as well so that you can see. And here's the example. I still have it up here. The example I did on how to get out of debt fast. Okay, so you got to confront where you are, look at where you are, list out all your debts, and then let's create a plan and work that plan and have a goal and set this goal and get you out of debt. Okay, And then we also have investment and education. So we'll go over some basics here. It's like almost 3 hours of just investment education. Just simple. I mean, you can find information on investments just all throughout the internet. But it could get overwhelming. Let's just start with the basics. Okay, you got part 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and get you started. Okay. In your understanding, okay? You want to understand investments can be very, very risky if you don't understand. So the number one thing you can do is just get an understanding. Okay, don't be in such a rush to start investing if you don't understand it. So let's get some education on investing. And then the cash flow manager, I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. I've been using this since I've been a part of this system, and it's like 2018. I enter in all my receipts, and so you can use it for your personal. I don't have any examples up. This is just my personal business, but I don't want to show you my personal stuff. Maybe I'll do other videos and show you. I think that would be okay. But I'm not in this video. I don't want this video to be long. I'm going to wrap it up. But I like how it's called the cash flow manager, because you need to be monitoring your cash flow consistently. Okay, consistently. And it does have a budgeting feature, but I love it because all you do, and I use the app, you just enter your income, you enter your expenses, and you can see what your cash flow is. If your cash flow is up, if your cash flow is negative, where your cash flow is. That is something that you want to focus on more than just budgeting, because budgeting is just really a way to just gauge what's going on with your finances. So you can see how much you're spending on food. You can see how much you're spending on entertainment. See how much you're spending on bills. See how much you're spending on everything. You need to know this. And so I love it. I use it daily, weekly, monthly, all the time. Okay. So get a gauge of my cash flow. And then the My Credit system, I love it. This system is a DIY credit repair, and it's helped me increase my credit score almost 100 points. I lost track. But yeah, almost 100 points within like a year. Because I went through it slowly, and I went through it quickly at first, and then I used it. I just went back and used it just to improve my own personal credit. So it gave me education, because I was overwhelmed. I was looking on YouTube on how to improve my credit, how to increase my credit score, and all this, and I was just overwhelmed. I didn't do anything. But with this, it's step by step. Okay. I'm not going to get into this in this video, but it is step by step, and it's do it yourself. And I think that's powerful because it gives you the education on how to increase your credit score and how to maintain a good credit score and how to play the credit game. And so I was able to do that, and that can save you money. It can give you access to more money. It's just awesome. And so that is your income shifting membership. It's a monthly membership you pay, and you just give you this information so that you can get the information, you can implement and get results. And so that's what I've been able to do. So I want the same for you. If you're interested, just click the link below. Look in the description box below. I'll link those 2 videos that I mentioned, and also your free 8-step game plan is down there if you want to access that. And thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.